Just 5 core ingredients: chicken, egg, onion, and a broth that hits like a hug. Chicken Donburi, or Oyakodon, is a classic Japanese dish featuring tender chicken and eggs. Start the preparation. Slice a medium onion thinly. For the eggs, gently whisk 2 large eggs in a bowl until just combined. You don't want to overmix them, as we're aiming for a slightly marbled texture in the final dish. The heart of our donburi lies in its savory sweet sauce. You'll need soy sauce for umami, mirin for sweetness and shine, sake for depth of flavor, and dashi, which is a Japanese soup stock, typically made from bonito flakes and kelp. Now, let's start cooking. We'll begin with the chicken and onions to build our flavor base. Heat a medium-sized non-stick pan or a shallow pot over medium heat. Add a touch of oil, then add the thinly sliced onions. Sauté them gently until they become translucent and tender, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. This step sweetens the onions and forms a soft bed for the chicken. Once the onions are softened, add the seasoned chicken pieces to the pan. With the chicken and onions ready, it's time to introduce the star of the dish, the donburi sauce and the whisked eggs. Pour the prepared donburi sauce directly over the chicken and onions in the pan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Next, gently pour the whisked eggs evenly over the simmering chicken and sauce. Do not stir. Cover the pan and let the eggs cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are just set but still slightly runny in the center. The residual heat will continue to cook them slightly even after the heat is off, ensuring a tender, custardy texture. Now for the grand finale, plating and garnishing your beautiful chicken donburi. Carefully slide the chicken and egg mixture from the pan directly over a generous bed of hot steamed rice in a large bowl. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, comforting bowl of chicken donburi. Enjoy every delicious bite.